Now we are going to connect this IR circuit in actual switchboard. Here in initial circuit we connected this blue to L1, red to L2 and this 4 to L3 and L4. If you want to understand with the help of diagram, R1, R2, R3 and R4 are connected to these 4 relays. This here. Here you can see space. Here we can fix this circuit. And these 4 wires we can connect to 4 different loads. Here you are seeing neon bulb is glowing. There is a current in the circuit, so you have to be very careful. You have to first switch off the main switch, then start working. Otherwise you may get fatal shock. So you have to be very careful. So first we will fix this circuit here, and then we will connect these 4 wires to 4 different loads. This is the diagram. We are going to connect loads as per this circuit diagram. Here you are seeing this is the main AC voltage. We are connecting it to SPDT or two-way switch, middle terminal. Then from upper terminal, positive or phase live wire is connected to all switches, and from the different switches, different live wires are connected to different loads. Here you are seeing this we can connect to bulb, other fan, then tube light and TV. Then here infrared circuit comes. These are the terminals of relay. Red one are the common terminal. Normally closed NC terminals are not shown here. only common in red, and NO terminals in black and blue are shown. These are the NO terminals. Here you are seeing that these NO terminals we are connecting to direct wires of different loads. These are all phase wires. When this SPDT position is up, means here, then this will not come in picture. You will switch on and off using these switches. When this switch is at the bottom side, then this circuit comes in picture and you can switch on and off different appliances by using 4-channel infrared remote controller. Okay, now we are going to actually install this circuit in switchboard. This is that circuit. This is that circuit. Here this red wire we are going to connect to SPDT switch, single pole double throw switch. Then these 4 wires, yellow, 2 red and blue, will connect to 4 different loads as per the shown circuit diagram. These 2 are for 12 volt power supply. This red one is for positive, green one is for ground, and here we will take out this IR sensor outside this board. Both are the sensors. Out of these 2 sensor detector, any one is sufficient. So let's connect these 4 wires to 4 different load. This is for positive and these 2 for 12 volt supply line. Now after installation of this circuit, let us see how it works. This is remote control. One is for bulb. This is the infrared sensor. See, when I pressed 1, bulb is switched off. When I press bulb switch on, 1 off, 1 switch on. Now this 2 is for fan. See, when I am pressing 2, it's switched off. When I am pressing again, it's switched on. Now this 4 is connected to TV. When I pressed 4, it switched off. You can see. Now when I am pressing 4, you will see that TV will switch on. Okay. Now I am pressing 4, again switched off. This is the final circuit. These LEDs, you can see first LED switched off, second switched on, then when I am pressing 2, second LED is red switched on, off, now it's switched on. Similarly for 4, that white color, this one switch. When I press 4, here white LED switched off, TV also switched off. So in this way we can connect this circuit. Here we are going to cover this circuit, then this will take out from here. One most important thing you should remember here, that this SPDT switch is connected. SPDT switch, when it is at bottom side, at that time infrared remote control will be active. When it is in off state, at that time power supply company is directly given to all the 4 appliances: fan, bulb, TV, and this 4th bulb. At the inside you can see this one is that SPDT, single pole double throw switch. This two-way switch is essential. If the circuit stops working, then you can control it manually. If to so, without two-way switch, if the circuit stops working, no appliances can work. So to control it manually, two-way switch is essential. Instead of fixing this circuit inside, we can keep it at outside, and these 4 load wires we can connect to the other end of the switch. This red wire goes to regulator. This is the switch terminal, we have connected this. Then this is the bulb, 1 is for bulb, 2 is for fan. Then this third one is for the TV socket, and the last one is kept unconnected. This is the last one. This you can connect to any 4th load. Now we'll close this. Now here you can see all the switches are closed, switched on. these two switches are on. This is for 12-volt supply to this circuit, and this is for bulb. It is switched off, switched on. Now if you want to switch on and off all the appliances through this remote control, then first switch off all the circuit, switch off all the switch, then this two-way switch is switched on. Now you can control. When one is pressed, bulb is activated. You can switch on and off using this remote control and pressing 1. This 2 is for fan. If it is switched off, you will see that fan is switched off. When 2 is pressed again, it switched on. Then this third is for TV. So here you are seeing that all these switches are off. This is two-way switch in upper position. This switchboard will function, and when it is at down position, you can control using this remote control. 1 off, 1 on, 2 off, 2 on. Then you can switch off, 3 off. And this fourth wire is left unconnected. You can connect fourth load of your choice. So in this way you can connect this circuit to actual switchboard. Bye.